Welcome to our guide on how to disable best tweets on X, Twitter, on your PC. Let's go through the steps together. First, log into your Twitter account using your credentials. Next, click on your avatar or profile picture located in the top right corner of the Twitter page. Select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu to access your account settings. In the left sidebar, click on Privacy and Safety to manage your privacy settings. Under the Content You See section, locate and click on Search Settings to customize your search preferences. To disable the Show Me the Best Tweets First feature, uncheck the box next to this option. Ensure to scroll down and click on Save Changes to apply the new settings and disable the display of best tweets on X, Twitter on your PC. Thank you for following along. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the process of disabling best tweets on X, Twitter, on your PC. Customize your Twitter experience by adjusting your settings to suit your preferences and viewing needs.